Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to talk about direct and indirect narrations. And in direct and indirect narrations we are going to talk about assertive sentences. Assertive sentences are those that are simple sentences, जो interrogative भी नहीं होते, जो imperative भी नहीं होते. They are called assertive sentences. जो exclamatory sentence भी नहीं होते, they are simple sentences. So assertive sentences are basically the simple sentences. इसको further अगर मैं कहूँ तो assertive sentences are those where subject is placed before the verb. First we use subject, then we use verb. Right? For example, I go to the market. I subject पहले आया है, go verb बाद में आया है, right? So this is an assertive sentence. एक simple sentence को assertive sentences कहते हैं. लेकिन अगर मैं कहूँ do I go to the market, in that case helping verb do is coming before the subject I, so that has become an interrogative sentence. So we are not talking about interrogative sentences, we are talking about the assertive, or in simple words we are talking about simple sentences. First of all, what is a direct speech? Direct speech, the definition is the message of a speaker is conveyed in his or her own actual words. Right? When the message of a speaker is conveyed in his or her own actual words, this is called a direct speech. And what is an indirect speech? The message of a speaker is conveyed in our own words, that is called indirect speech. The example of a direct speech is this: he said, comma inverted commas begin, I am very busy now. This is a direct speech because we are quoting the exact words of that person who was busy. जिसने कहा ना, he said कि मैं बहुत मसरूफ़ हूँ, तो we are quoting the same words. He said, comma inverted commas begin, I am very busy now. Since we are quoting his own words, तो we are putting the quotation marks भी कहते हैं इसको, and inverted commas भी कहते हैं. We are putting it in the inverted commas because we are quoting the same words that was said by the speaker or by the narrator. Such speeches are called direct speeches. Then an indirect speech is, he said that he was very busy then. We are not quoting his exact words. उसने ज़ाहिर ये तो नहीं कहा होगा ना कि he was very busy then. उसने ये कहा कि I was very busy now. So when we are conveying the message of the speaker in our own words, this is called an indirect speech. And in indirect speech you can see we do not use inverted commas. So this is just an example okay, what is a direct speech and what is an indirect speech. Now I'm coming to the explanation. Now see, this is a sentence. I said to my brother, comma inverted commas begin, I have completed my job, full stop, inverted commas close, as you can see. This is an example of a direct speech, we know that. The first part, I said to my brother, is called reporting speech. And the second part, which is included in the inverted commas, is called the reported speech. Knowing these reporting and reported speech is very important because the rules are going to be based on them. So the speech that is written outside the inverted commas is called the reporting speech, and the speech that is given inside the inverted commas is called the reported speech. ठीक हो गया यहाँ तक? Now see the rules and learn these rules. These are very important. When we are changing a direct speech into indirect speech, these are the rules when we are changing the direct speech into indirect speech. Rule number 1 is, when the reporting speech is in the past tense, ये past tense में ना, I said to my brother, this is the reporting speech. Is it in the past tense? Yes, it is in the past tense. How do we know it is in the past tense? क्योंकि second form of the verb use हुई है, said. Present होता तो क्या होता? I say. If it was like I say to my brother, तो उस केस में क्या होता? It was a present tense. If it is like I will say to my brother, in that case वो क्या होता? ये future tense होता. So this is in the past tense. तीन ही tense है ना, basic तो future, present and past. I said to my brother, it means this is in the past tense. Now the rule is that when the reporting speech is in the past tense, what happens to the reported speech? अगर reporting speech यानी कि ये वाली जो speech है ये past tense में होगी तो क्या होगा? The present continuous will change into past continuous. अगर reporting speech past में है तो आपकी reported speech के साथ क्या होगा कि अगर reported speech previously, reported speech, the speech that is inside the commas, was previously in the present tense, it will change into past tense. If the reported speech means the speech inside the inverted commas was previously in the present indefinite tense, it will change into past indefinite tense when we change them into indirect speech. If the reported speech was in the present perfect tense, then when we change it into indirect speech, that reported speech will change into past perfect. Similarly, past indefinite will change into past perfect. Past perfect will remain past perfect. Will or shall would change into would and should. This is what will happen to the reported speech. This one, ये जो लिखी है inverted commas के अंदर, when we change the narration from a direct to indirect speech. Let's take the same example. I said to my brother, कौन सा tense है? Past tense, past indefinite है. हमने ये नहीं देखना कि past indefinite है क्या है. This is in the past tense. The reported speech, sorry, the reporting speech is in the past tense, and the reported speech is in present perfect tense. And we can see that the rule is that the present perfect tense, number 3, bullet number 3, present perfect tense will change into past perfect tense. So it means that it will change into past perfect tense. I told my brother that I had completed my job. Have will change into had. So we will change the narrations later. First let's see the rules. No, so this is the first rule. This is a very important rule. When the reported speech is in the past tense, then what will happen to the reported speech? If it was previously in the present continuous, it will change into past continuous, and so on. We will change second rule. Number second is personal pronouns will change accordingly. Done. There are some other changes. Today will change into that day. Then again I am repeating that this change will take place only when the reporting speech is in the past tense. अगर reporting speech present tense में है या future tense में है, then you will not change today into that day. Yesterday will change into the previous day. This will change into that. Here will change into there. Now will change into then. Tomorrow will change into the next day, and so on. And number 4, conjunction that. जब हम when we remove the inverted commas, we will use that to remove the inverted commas. When we are changing a direct speech into an indirect speech, we will remove the inverted commas, and when we remove the inverted commas, we will use that. Okay, that is a conjunction. Conjunction क्या होता? Conjunction is a word that combines two sentences, right? So that is a conjunction. And then in the end I have just mentioned you what is an assertive sentence. It is also called a declarative sentence. Also you can say this is a simple sentence. ये सवालिया भी नहीं होता, imperative भी नहीं होता, और exclamatory भी नहीं होता. इसमें क्या होता है कि first we place the subject and then we place the verb. Simple sentence होता है. And now after this, let's move to page number 171 in your grammar and composition. We will do the exercise number 1 today of changing the narrations. You will do it in your copies, of course. Let's see the first sentence. She said, comma inverted commas begin, I like clouds in the sky. Which tense is this? She said. Past tense hai? Done. I like clouds in the sky. Which tense is this? Present indefinite tense. और अभी हमने rules पढ़े हैं पीछे कि when the reporting speech, she said is reporting speech है ना, is in the past tense, then what will happen to the reported speech? This is the reported speech ना, I like clouds in the sky. और किस tense में reported speech? Present perfect, present indefinite में है ये. So present indefinite will change into past indefinite. So we will change this into I like clouds in the sky. अगर ये past है reporting speech, तो ये भी किस में convert हो जाएगा? Present indefinite, past indefinite में convert हो जाएगा according to the rules that I have told. So the sentence will become she said that I किसके लिए कौन कह रहा है? She said that she liked पास्ट इंडेफिनिट में कौन सा फॉर्म यूज़ करेंगे? सेकंड फॉर्म यूज़ करेंगे ना. मैंने भी बताया आपको कि प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट किस में चेंज करना है हमने? पास्ट इंडेफिनिट में. सो व्हाट डू वी डू इन पास्ट इंडेफिनिट? वी यूज़ सिंपल पास्ट फॉर्म, सेकंड फॉर्म. शी सेड दैट आ जाएगा टू रिमूव द इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स. शी सेड दैट शी लाइक्ड क्लाउड्स इन द स्काई. शी सेड दैट शी लाइक्ड क्लाउड्स इन द sky. Second sentence. He said, I am unwell. He said is the reporting speech. I am unwell is the reported speech. Reporting speech is in the past tense. And reported speech is in the present tense. According to the rule, this present tense will change into past tense because the reporting speech is in the past tense. So the change will become he said that he was unwell. He said that he was unwell. Number 3. He said to her, I live in this building. This reporting speech is in the past tense. How do we know it is in the past tense? Because said indicates second form use हुई हुई है, तो said indicates that it is in the past tense. He said to her, I live in this building. He told her. यहाँ पे आप said to will change into told because there are two persons, he and her. There was only one person, he. There was only one person, she. So said was not changed into told. But since there are two persons, he as well as her, so said to will change into told. Do not write told to. You will say he told her that I lived. अब यहाँ पे I किसके लिए? He के लिए. He said to her that he lived in that building. This will change into that according to the rules. And present indefinite tense will change into past indefinite tense. So you will say that he said to her that he lived in that building. According to the rules, present indefinite tense will change into past indefinite tense. And that will only happen when the reporting speech is in the past tense. And whole this exercise, the reporting speech is in the past tense. Yes. So he said to her will change into he told her that he lived ed के साथ in that building. So he lived in that building is a past indefinite tense. As according to the rule, the present indefinite tense will change into past indefinite tense. They said our teacher is on leave. They said that their teacher, which pronoun है they के लिए आया है, we will change the pronoun accordingly, that their teacher was on leave because the present tense will change into past tense according to the rule. Arif and Aisha said to their mother, we like mangoes. Arif and Aisha told their mother that they liked mangoes. Again the present indefinite will change into past indefinite. She said, comma inverted commas begin, I am helping my mother in the kitchen. She said that. Again she told नहीं होगा because there is no other second person नहीं है ना, only she है. यहाँ पे दो हैं Arif and Aisha, यहाँ पे भी दो हैं he and her. Here it is only one, she said. इसको भी आप she told भी change कर सकते हैं and even आप told में ना भी convert करें, even जब two persons भी होंगे, that is also grammatically correct, but as a rule we do this. She said that I was helping my mother in the kitchen because this is present continuous tense, and according to the rules the present continuous tense will change into past continuous tense. He said I am watering the plants in the garden. He said that I was watering the plants in the garden, because this was in the present continuous tense, and according to the rules the present continuous change will change into past continuous tense. Afsha said, I am seeing mother's shirt. Afsha said that she was sewing mother's shirt. This is the present continuous tense, and according to the rule the present continuous tense will change into past continuous tense. He said they are not doing their duty well. He said that they were not doing their duty well. This is the present continuous tense, and again according to the rule the present continuous tense will change into past continuous tense. He said to me, you are not running very fast. He told me that I was not running very fast, because again the present continuous tense hai, it will change into past continuous tense according to the rule. They said we have done our duty. They said that they had done their duty. They said that they had done their duty, because this was present perfect tense, and according to the rules the present perfect tense will change into past perfect tense, means have will change into had. They said that they had done their duty. The teacher said to us, you have not completed your drawing. The teacher told us that we had not completed our drawing. Again present perfect change into past perfect. So up till here is present perfect. Now number 16 I will do. He said I completed my drawing half an hour ago. In this case this is already in the in the past indefinite tense. Completed hai na? So this sentence is already in the past indefinite tense, and according to the rule the past indefinite tense will change into past perfect tense. He said that I had completed my drawing half an hour earlier. Number 17, she said I did not go to school yesterday. Did not means this is already in the past indefinite tense, so past indefinite tense will change into past perfect tense. She said that she had not gone to school the previous day. इसको आप she had not भी कर सकते हैं या I had not भी कर सकते हैं, it's up to you. She said that she had not gone to school yesterday. He said she sang a beautiful ghazal at the concert last night. Again this is in the past indefinite tense already, so past indefinite tense will change into past perfect tense. He said that she had sung a beautiful ghazal at the concert the previous night. Last night will change into the previous night, and with had we always use third form of the verb. Sing is the first form, sang is the second form, and sung is the third form. Number 19, she said he rang me up at 12 midnight. She said that he had, the third form is rung hi ho gaya, I think. She said that he had rung her up at 12 midnight. Past, you can see the past indefinite will change into past perfect. Aage chalein. This one is changed. 21, she said I shall never do such a thing. She said that she should never. Shall मैंने बताया था आपको in the rules will change into should. Afsha said they will wait for us for an hour only. Afsha said that they would wait for us for an hour only. I told you that will is changed into would and shall is changed into should. वैसे आप shall को भी would में भी change कर सकते हैं. So shall और will दोनों would में change हो जाए, that is okay too. Same. They said we shall never make a promise we cannot fulfill. They said that they should never make a promise they could not fulfill. He said I shall explain this to you only if you listen to me with patience. He said that he should explain that to you only if you listen to him with patience. या इस तरह भी कर सकते हैं, he said that he should explain that to me only if I listen to him with patience. Number 25. He said, I hope you will not repeat this mistake. He said that, ये कौन सा टेंस है? I hope, ये present indefinite है. He said, I hope you will not repeat this mistake. He said that he hoped you would not repeat that mistake. He said that he hoped you would not repeat this mistake. और अगर वो आप अज्यूम कर लें कि वो आपको कह रहा है तो he said that he hoped I would not repeat that mistake. So this is the exercise. Do it in your copies. Also write the rules in your copies that I just showed you. I will send you the document of those rules as well, and learn those rules. Those are very important and very basic rules, and the whole conversion of direct and indirect, mostly it is based on that. And today we have discussed remember that we have discussed the assertive sentences or declarative sentences, means के simple sentences जो ना सवालियाँ हैं, ना दुआइयाँ हैं, ना एक्सक्लेमेटरी हैं, ना इम्पेरेटिव हैं. सिंपल सेंटेंसेस को हमने आज देखा कि व्हाट आर द रूल्स. सो इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन यू शुड आस्क. स्टार्ट डूइंग इट. दैट्स इट फॉर नाउ.